Hello, my name is Serena Butler, and I will be giving you a little insight of the lessons, the two lessons that we're going to work on. And we're talking about weathering, which we had talked about it the whole week with the class. And the students, we read a little passage, and I just gave them a little insight about what is weathering. So I'm going to read it to you again. So it said weathering, which is varies from day to day and seasonal throughout the year. It is the condition of the atmosphere at a given place and time. Climate is longer term and location sensitive. It is range of a region weather over 1 year or many years. And because of it, it depends on the latitude. It varies from one place to another place. Weather and climates are shaped by complex interaction involving the sunlight, the ocean, the atmosphere, ice, landform, and living things. The interaction can drive changes that occur over multiple time scales, from day, from weeks, from months, from weathering to the year, decades, century, and beyond for climate. So I was just giving you a little insight on what the students have read over the week. And so we did a little activity. And a little activity um, that we talked about, we begin with the days of the week. So now I want you to look at the days of the week. And so Monday, was it, I asked the class, was it sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, or partly cloudy? And Monday, it was raining outside. So the kids marked it in Monday. It was raining. Okay. So now we went to Tuesday. So Tuesday, it began to get sunny. So now let's go into Wednesday. So we still talking about the change of the weather. And so the change of the weather on Wednesday was sunny. So also it will begin to get sunny. And then I'm thinking about Thursday. So I asked the kids, what was the weather on Thursday? Thursday weather was sunny. Now Friday. Friday also was sunny. So we just gonna talk about predicting the weather for next week. So we look at the weather for next week. What do y'all predict the weather gonna be? Yes, sunny. So I think so also. So that was a good lesson on how the weather changes during the week, boys and girls. Now let's go into our second activity that we're gonna be talking about, boys and girls. So our second activity, it talks about how does weather form. So on your desk, you have your graphic organizer, and you also have the temperature, which the temperature is cloud, rain, snow, wind, fog, or hail. So I want you to think about the different temperature. So you also will have the different pictures. So yours should look just like mine. So you will have your different pictures, and you also will have the different vocabulary to the picture. Go with the picture and the word. So now I want you to look at it, and you're going to go over it with your partner. So now I want you to take your graphic organizer, your words, and your pictures and your definition, and y'all gonna work on it together. So we look at the first example. When you say temperature, what is a temperature? What do you think a temperature is? So now go over to your definition. Now let's look at temperature. Temperature causes by the sun rays which heat earth surface differently. So do y'all agree with me? I'll give you a few minutes to think about it, a few seconds. So what do you think? Yes, you're correct. So now let's do one more together. So let's think about clouds. What is a cloud? Raise your hand if you think you know. Okay, yes. So let's see. Let's read it together. Clouds is the tiny droplets of water cools down and form together. So now I want you and your partner to work together, and you have your words, you have your picture, and you have your definition. And so I want you to put it together on your graphic organizer, and then I'm gonna give you about 10 minutes to work on it, and then we're gonna go over it together.